Hello, this is your overview video for day 7. So what I want you to do is click into the online distance learning folder. Okay, so right here we're going to click that open and we're in Unit 9. So I want you to go into the Unit 9 folder. And since today is day 7, we're going to go into this folder right here. Okay, so this is what you're going to do for day 7. You're going to be learning about something called a biomolecule. And what that is it's molecules, it's things that are inside your body or things that are in the food that you eat. And these molecules help us to do different things. And so these focus questions, you're going to open this document and it's going to look like this chart. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different biomolecules that are important for us. And so you're going to see, why is it important in our bodies? How is it made and put together? What are the elements? So like these letters right here. And a real world example, meaning like where is it found in your body or food that you eat that has that molecule. So what I want you to do is when you open this document, okay, you're going to have that open on your iPad, and then there is a video link that I want you to watch and try to fill in that chart. Okay, if you watch through the video and there are still things that you did not get, this right here, if you see where my pointer is, are the answers. Those are my notes. Okay, so you can use my notes to help fill in anything that you missed. Then you're going to use that information and you're going to try to do this puzzle piece assignment here. This is what I'm going to grade. Okay, so you're going to be matching up things that you learned from that video. If you have any questions or you need any help, please let me know.